1985 Buick LeSabre. She has the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Interior is nice and clean. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Let's check her out. Gotta love a B-body. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think of her. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Check out that top. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Headliner. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Check out that dash. As y'all can see, mileage reached a little over 71,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. That's the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Your dream car truck is literally one call away. Don't miss out. She's running nice and smooth. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.